Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trust Wallet browser. First, understand that the DApp browser is your gateway to decentralized applications, or DApps, directly within your Trust Wallet. It enables seamless interaction with various blockchain services, from decentralized exchanges to NFT marketplaces. Before you begin, make sure your Trust Wallet application is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security. To access the DApp browser, simply open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Look for the browser icon, typically found at the bottom navigation bar of the app interface. Tapping this icon will immediately launch the integrated DApp browser, presenting you with a familiar web browsing experience tailored for decentralized applications. Once in the browser, you can either type a specific DApp URL into the search bar at the top, or explore popular DApps conveniently listed on the browser's homepage. When interacting with a DApp, such as making a swap or purchasing an NFT, your Trust Wallet will prompt you to confirm transactions securely. Always review the details carefully before approving. DApps will automatically connect to your wallet when you visit them, allowing for seamless interaction. It is crucial to always review all transaction details, including the amount and permissions, before giving your approval. For security, it is a good practice to disconnect from DApps once you have finished your session, especially if you are using a public network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.